September is one of the most magical months in the flower garden. The days grow shorter, the air feels crisper, and two flowers truly stand out as icons of early autumn, the aster and the chrysanthemum. Both are beloved September flowers, but they bring very different personalities, histories, and symbolism to the autumn garden. Let's start with asters. The name aster comes from the Greek word for star, and it's easy to see why. Their delicate, star-shaped blooms light up borders and meadows with soft shades of purple, pink, blue, and white. Asters are classic late summer and early fall flowers, treasured in cottage gardens and wildflower plantings. They're also one of the best flowers for pollinators in September, attracting bees, butterflies, and other beneficial insects when many other blooms are fading. Chrysanthemums, often simply called mums, have a very different character. Their name means golden flower in Greek, but today they bloom in a dazzling rainbow of colors. Chrysanthemums were first cultivated in China more than 2,500 years ago and later became deeply symbolic in Japan, where they represent the imperial family and are celebrated every autumn during chrysanthemum festivals. In the autumn garden, mums are the bold showstoppers, full, rounded blooms that come in an incredible variety of forms, from pompons to quills to spider-shaped petals. While asters create a soft, natural look that blends beautifully into borders, chrysanthemums are the stars of formal displays, front porches, and seasonal flower arrangements. Together, they represent two very different sides of the September garden, one feeding pollinators with nectar-rich flowers, the other dazzling the eye with vibrant color and structure. The bloom times also highlight their different roles. Asters usually begin flowering in late August and continue into October, carrying the garden from summer into autumn. Chrysanthemums generally peak a little later, from September through November. Planting both in your garden ensures a continuous display of color throughout the entire autumn season. Symbolism adds even more depth to these September flowers. Asters are associated with love, patience, wisdom, and faith. They are also the official September birth flower, making them a meaningful choice for birthday bouquets. In folklore, asters were believed to bring protection and good luck, with their smoke even thought to drive away snakes and evil spirits. Chrysanthemums carry a wide range of meanings depending on culture. In Asia, they represent joy, longevity, loyalty, and happiness. In Japan, they are considered a noble flower, closely tied to the emperor and the imperial family. In Europe, however, chrysanthemums are often linked to remembrance and are used in funerals and memorials, especially in November. This contrast makes the chrysanthemum one of the most fascinating flowers in the world. Beyond symbolism, both flowers bring practical beauty. Asters are hardy perennials that return year after year, thriving in sunny spots and providing vital late-season food for bees and butterflies. They are perfect for naturalistic plantings, cottage gardens, and pollinator-friendly borders. Chrysanthemums, on the other hand, are popular not only in the garden but also as cut flowers. Their blooms last a long time in vases, making them ideal for seasonal flower arrangements. They're also used in traditional medicine and in the famous chrysanthemum tea, enjoyed in China for centuries. So, which flower is better for the September garden, the aster or the chrysanthemum? The truth is, they both have unique strengths. Asters are the wild, starry flowers that bring a sense of natural beauty and ecological value, while chrysanthemums are the regal, show-stopping blooms that add structure, formality, and tradition to the autumn landscape. Planting both together creates a garden that is not only full of color but also rich in history, culture, and seasonal meaning. If you love September flowers, it's hard to imagine an autumn garden without asters and chrysanthemums. These two blooms capture everything that makes autumn so special: the fading warmth of summer, the vibrant colors of harvest time, and the deep traditions tied to the turning of the seasons. Whether you lean toward the simple charm of asters or the dazzling elegance of chrysanthemums, both flowers deserve a place in your September garden. While asters and chrysanthemums are the stars of the autumn garden, they're not the only flowers that bring beauty to this time of year. If you're looking for alternatives, there are plenty of other autumn blooms that deserve attention. Marigolds are one of the most cheerful fall flowers. With their bold orange and golden hues, they add warmth and brightness to borders, containers, and seasonal displays. They're easy to grow, bloom right up to the first frost, and have long been tied to autumn traditions and festivals around the world. Cosmos are another wonderful choice for autumn gardens. Tall, airy, and graceful, they produce delicate pink, white, and crimson blooms that sway in the breeze and last until the first frosts. Cosmos bring a soft, cottage garden touch to late summer and autumn beds, keeping the garden colorful and inviting. For gardeners who want deep jewel tones, salvias are hard to beat. Flowering well into autumn, salvias shine in rich shades of purple, blue, and red. They're not only long-lasting but also loved by bees and butterflies, making them one of the best plants for a pollinator-friendly autumn garden. Montbretia, also known as crocosmia, adds a fiery splash of color in late summer that often continues into early autumn. Its arching sprays of orange and red flowers bring energy, movement, and drama to borders, making it a fantastic partner for other late bloomers. And for something truly elegant, autumn camellias, also known as Camellia sasanqua, are a superb choice. Blooming from late September into the winter months, they produce delicate pink or white blossoms with a subtle fragrance. As evergreen shrubs, they add structure and year-round beauty to the garden while surprising you with fresh flowers just as other plants begin to fade. These alternatives, marigolds, cosmos, salvias, montbretia, and autumn camellias, are all excellent options for extending color, pollinator value, and seasonal charm in the autumn garden. Together with asters and chrysanthemums. So which autumn flowers are your favorites? Do you prefer the boldness of marigolds, the elegance of camellias, or the cottage charm of cosmos? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear what's growing in your garden this autumn season. Thank you for spending a little time here in the garden with me. As the seasons turn and the flowers change, may your own garden be filled with color, calm, and joy. Until we meet again, take care, and I'll see you soon here at Bear and the Garden.
It's so unnecessary dwelling about the past, 'cause I know that God is good, He led me to where I'm at. Sometimes I feel like giving up, you're giving in, but everything happens for a reason. It won't always be blue skies ahead. Sometimes you might need a helping hand, just like iron sharpens iron, making me stronger, calling me higher. It's so